Welcome to the sale of our Land Rover Defender. This is a real cracker. First registered in September 2013. It is absolutely beautiful. It's covered 17,800 miles, still owned by the original owner from new. As you can see by my pictures, it's absolutely fantastic. It's in beautiful condition. Obviously an optional extra in this colour. It has pretty much every option you can buy for a Defender, barring air conditioning. The bodywork is in absolutely pristine condition. There isn't any dents in it. It is in beautiful condition. The interior is just immaculate. There aren't any dents or scratches on the back. It's got a full head lining all the way back. It has its safari roof lighting. It also has optional extra of the rear speakers, and it is all in absolutely beautiful condition. In the cockpit here is absolutely, again, immaculate. Seat heaters, electric windows, extra speakers on the music system. Everything works as it should. It is in great condition. The speedo is reading 17,800 miles. It may go up a little whilst we're selling it. Also included Bluetooth radio, heated seats. It also has a heated front screen and rear glass. It is immaculate. The engine runs beautifully. It is the improved 2.2 model. It's been serviced annually. It is actually due for a service now in time only. But as you can hear, it runs beautifully and starts instantly. The car has just passed its first MOT without advisory, so it's all set for the next 12 months. The chassis is absolutely immaculate. It's been wax oiled from day one. It's in fabulous condition. The tyres have lots of tread, and they are the factory fitted tyres from new. You can see the vehicle's done very little. It's for sale with mikeedge.co.uk. Thanks for looking. Please drop me a line.